Hello viewers. In this video we are going to share 10 treatments for dry hair. Dry hair is a very common problem for both men and women. This condition is often frustrating, as it typically results in split ends and dull or frizzy hair. Dry hair may occur for many reasons, but how do you fix it if it happens to you? There are many products on the market for dry hair, but there are also plenty of non-hair care treatments that you can use as well. These treatments can temporarily repair damaged hair, or stop dryness from occurring in the first place. If you are frustrated with the way your dry hair looks and feels, these may be the right solutions for you. 1. Vitamin supplements. If you are struggling with dry hair, you may want to consider taking a vitamin supplement. Biotin, which can also be found naturally in foods like eggs, meat, or nuts, will repair damaged hair by strengthening the follicles from the root. Similarly, iron is one of the best mineral supplements that you can take to strengthen hair. These supplements can also make your hair grow faster, which can help you to get rid of split ends without losing any length more quickly. However, you should always consult a doctor before taking any supplements, especially if you are on other medications. 2. Omega-3. Another treatment for dry hair is the consumption of more omega-3 fatty acids. These can be taken in supplement form, but a better option is to add more of them to your diet. Fish like salmon, trout, and tuna contain plenty of omega-3 fatty acids. Other sources include walnuts and a variety of cooking oils. Omega-3 fatty acids provide nourishment to hair follicles that will leave you with healthy, manageable hair. Adding 2 or more servings of this essential nutrient to your diet every week will treat your dry hair, and provide plenty of other health benefits along the way. 3. Shampoo less often. If you feel like your tresses are dry and frizzy no matter how well you take care of them, you may be showing them too much attention. While it sounds unusual, washing your hair less will treat dry hair. Whenever you use shampoo, you strip all of the oils out of your hair, including the natural oils that protect it from damage. Try skipping an extra day between washes to give your hair time to rebound. If the thought of not washing your hair for a day makes you feel uncomfortable, try using a dry shampoo to tide you over on the days that you don't wash it. 4. Egg yolks. Egg yolks have long been considered the gold standard for home hair remedies. Not only will they help to treat your dry hair, but they will also restore its shine. Egg yolks contain many fats and proteins that can restore health to your hair. While there are many recipes you can try, the simplest treatment requires just 3 egg yolks. After beating the egg yolks, apply the mixture to your hair and let it sit for 20 minutes. Then, rinse with cold water and wash with shampoo and conditioner. This treatment should make your hair feel healthier and less parched. 5. Reduce heat. One of the easiest ways to treat dry hair is to stop damaging it in the first place. If you blow dry your hair after every shower or use a heat styling tool daily, this is the likely culprit of your dry hair. Heat is very damaging, and reducing the amount of exposure that your hair receives is vital if you want healthy hair. If you must dry or style your hair daily, use a protective treatment spray that can reduce the damage caused by the constant heat. A better option is to pick 2 or more days each week to air dry hair, giving it a chance to recover. 6. Humidifier. A dry environment can be a cause of dry hair, so combat this by using a humidifier to put some moisture back into your home. Using a humidifier in the bedroom or other frequently used rooms in your home can help treat dry hair. When the air around you is dry, your hair may start to feel dry and damaged. A humidifier will pump water vapor into the air, which your hair will then absorb. This moisture will leave your tresses feeling healthier and is an inexpensive way to treat your dry hair. Just be sure to pick a humidifier that is the appropriate size for the room you want to use it in. 7. Apple cider vinegar. It might seem unconventional, but apple cider vinegar is an excellent home remedy for dry hair. Because of the acidic nature of the vinegar, it will kill bacteria without stripping your hair of its natural oils. To use it on your hair, you should mix 2 tablespoons of vinegar with a cup of water. Then, apply the mixture to clean, wet hair. After just 2 minutes, you should rinse it off with cold water. Using too much vinegar can have the opposite effect, so don't overdo it. If you are looking for a cheap way to treat your dry hair, apple cider vinegar is a great option. 8. Healthy oils. Many people who have dry hair seek out complex remedies, but one of the best treatments is to apply an oil-based mask. There are many healthy oils such as coconut, olive, or jojoba oils that contain high amounts of fats that will help your hair. These oils can be combined with other dry hair remedies, like eggs, or used independently. Apply a tablespoon or 2 of one of these oils to clean hair, then cover with a shower cap. After 30 minutes, remove the cap and wash your hair thoroughly in warm water. This remedy is an easy way to treat dry hair at home. 9. Avocado. Another home remedy that will treat dry hair is an avocado mask. While most people have heard of the benefits of using an avocado face mask, it is equally beneficial for hair. This superfood is filled with fatty acids and vitamins that will help your hair to become healthier. A simple avocado mask can be made using 1 avocado and 1 egg, mixed. After applying it to your hair and leaving it in for 15 minutes, you should wash your hair in warm water. The fats and proteins in the avocado and the egg will leave your dry hair feeling much softer and healthier. 10. Honey. It might seem unusual to put such a sticky substance in your hair, but honey is one of the best treatments for dry hair. Mixing equal parts honey and coconut oil will create a mask that's packed with nutrients. After you apply it to your hair and let it sit for 20 minutes, you should wash your hair with warm water, making sure to get rid of any sticky residue. Honey has moisture-rising properties that will not just refresh your dry hair, but lock in the moisture from the oil as well. That's what makes this one of the best treatments for dry hair. Do try these remedies and then share your experience. Please like and subscribe this channel if you find this video helpful.